We will go to the next automation of Excel files using ChatGPT. Let us see the Excel file which we are going to use for this task. Okay, I have an Excel file named phone where there is a list of phone numbers. What I'm going to do through this automation is I'm going to add a prefix +91, that is India's country code, to the phone numbers. Okay, so if you can see, file is still opening. Okay, there is this list of phone numbers without a country code prefix. We are going to add the country code. Just close this Excel file and we will go to the ChatGPT and type the prompt. Okay, I have an Excel file named, be specific with the file name with correct case, smaller case, small case, uppercase. Use Python to add country code +91 as string prefix. Specify that so that the phone numbers may be in number format, and if you add +91 directly, it will give an error. So specify the word string prefix, the phone number, and specify in same file. Sometimes what happens, ChatGPT will generate a new file, write the modified data in a new file. We want this data in the file to be modified, not as a new file. So let's run the prompt and see whether ChatGPT is generating the code. Okay, the code has been generated. If you can see, make sure to replace phone.xml file. Okay, it should be in the same folder. Okay, it will add +91 as a prefix to the phone numbers and save the modified data frame back to the same Excel file. Okay, so let's copy the code and let's go back to the IDE and create a new file. I am naming the file as country. You can give any name to the file. Just make sure that the file name should not clash with the keywords of Python. Okay. Let's run. Okay, the code is executed successfully. Let's go back and check the Excel file. Okay, this is the Excel file. Let's open it. And we have to see that the +91 prefix has been added to the phone numbers. Hopefully it is added. Let's see. Okay, still opening. Okay, if you can see, the phone number has been modified and the country code +91 has been added to the phone numbers. Okay, and that's all. This automation is successful. Let's go back to the next task. Let's close this Excel file.